What does my data tell me? Well, let me do an EDA phase. Okay, I did some EDA, let me visualize it. Now, what do the visualizations tell you? Sometimes, visualizations are great for leading to questions, right? We talked about questions and hypotheses earlier. Visualizations are wonderful for that, especially if you want to involve the business in that, right? You don't send them Excel sheets, you send them visualizations. And that's going to lead to them talking about different questions or hey, I thought I would expect this chart to show this, but it actually shows this. Why is that? And that why can become a hypothesis, right? But really, Siddharth, what I really want to impress upon you is try not to have a bias walking into a project, because what you're demonstrating with this question is a form of a bias to say, when I have a time series problem, that's a neural network problem. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, right? Time series can be a funny thing. There's a lot of really good packages out there now for time series. Maybe you should explore that too, right? It just depends. So I really can't answer your question, and you shouldn't be able to answer your question until you do some experimentation with it. Okay, Siddharth? Siva, my friend, I know you've been on these lives before.